Here we are, big VW ramp rod, and I've been out here today doing some more. Obviously not put much on really because I've done a lot, but got a good bit done now. We've even a bit of clean up in the yard as well. There's Andy. VW Coco, you all know him on Facebook, not Facebook, was it YouTube?
Yeah, on Facebook.
Oh, and Facebook, yeah, he's on both. So if you want to subscribe to him, that's brilliant. He needs 2 more to get his 2,500 and he'll be well happy. But yeah, this is what I've been doing. I can't even see what I'm looking at. I'll just tack that in for now because obviously I need to get better underneath there. I'll put that side in. I've actually got a couple of nice runs in there with weld. See, Father, I can do it. Not that it's focusing properly. But those pieces are back in. Cut them out. Got the piece there to repair that. I'm going to have to do that in 2 pieces. Because it's double skinned. I want to keep the strength in it. That's that bit. So I've done that. I'm going to do this to the other side. That's why I haven't welded that bit in yet, because I'm going to tack it up. Plate in there. Goes from there down. That's where the master cylinder fits. Repair that. The gutter, the rain gutter in there is probably coming off because it's going to be easier to take it off and repair a hole than it is to try and match it there. The front end is getting on so well. I'm looking so strong then. It doesn't even move when I'm trying. Before when I did that, the whole car was shaking around. It's going all over the place. So, but didn't put the gazebo up today because it's supposed to be nice till 6 o'clock. So I started, and we just packed away now because rain has just started a few hours early. I can live with that. Even though we've been for breakfast club this morning, as we do most Fridays, I've got so much done. Well pleased, got a cracking day as always. Oh, Skippy's off again. What's it like, eh? Fuel tank there, got to clean out. Just shake it with some nuts in, not mine, metal ones. And got that piece there of steel in the middle. That bit is 2mm thick. So I'm using that to repair the spine underneath, which I've chopped a little hole out of. Let's see if I can see it from here. Yeah, I can't really see it, but it's there. You can see it there. You see daylight. So we'll just repair that piece, and like I say, the front, put a bit of floor there, and that's the front. Oh, obviously got to tidy up this, but that'll be the front done. Put a bar across from here to that side, there, and that's going to be some fuel tank to sit on. What's quite handy is I found that the box section I've used there fits perfectly in there, and that one, so you can just slide piece lengths in, gives it more support as well, and a bar from here to this side, and I can panel the front of this off then, just to clean it all up. But yeah, slowly but surely getting there. Well pleased with what I've done. Over the main, there's the front beam that's come off, it's rotten. That's going to be all stripped. New bushes, new brakes, everything all new, shocks, the lock, everything for it. My many eBay finds. Not that all my eBay finds are good. I bought a nibbler. I think it's in here. I chucked it in here because it's so crap. Bought a nibbler off eBay there. That silver thing there. What a load of shite. It won't cut nothing. Wouldn't cut paper. So, and then out of my stupidity, I went and bought these. Now, I've adjusted it as much as I can. It's supposed to revolve the head, and you can have one side as to do flanging and the other side to punch holes. Now the flange inside, you can forget whether I'm trying to use too thick a steel, but no, I suppose if you got like 0.8mm steel, it would cut that, it would flange it, but it's not doing a thing on this. So yeah, forget that idea. But I've adjusted as much as I can, and I'm just about getting it to bunch holes with that side. So, ooh, there's out of focus. There you go. It works when you do that, cutting the hole in it, but not great. But it'll be useful when I do the floors inside. So time for a little tidy up and pack away. Cut my old, I don't know where it came from, someone's old throw, which is ideal to stop the sharp edges. Cutting through the cover. Once that's on, get that cover on, and we're done for the day. I think I've had enough. That's on it. But as I always say, on a good note, that's it. We're getting there, and see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.